Thank you for downloading this powerful productivity and focus tool, and welcome to ReadySetFocus. I'm Mike, the creator, and I'm excited to show you the tool that I use every day. Now, I've been in a space where I have no breathing room. I'm a bit off kilter. My routine has gone out the window. I'm trying to figure out how to regain focus. I feel like I'm in a space of no control, too much to do, not enough time. My thoughts are not supportive of all of this focus when I'm under pressure. That's the truth. And I often feel self-doubt. Often thinking that, how can I get all this done? Will I be able to meet my goals? This is definitely not the headspace I want to be in. So even with all that I know about focus and influence in both business and career and home and family, this happens to me. This happens to me. It could happen to anyone. But now I have a tool that I use to stay focused, and I want to share it with you. This worksheet will be helpful in transforming your scattered thoughts into focused action. The power of this whole worksheet is the simplicity. Keeping it simple. Now let's go through each section together. First up, let's start with a focused brain dump. As you can see, there's a 3-item limitation. I want to force you to self-edit. I want you to force you to figure out what your priority should truly be. What's truly important. Now you have 3 categories, A, B, and C. A is for your urgent, important, and due task, due today tasks that are due right now. B is your future worthy projects. C are new ideas for you to explore. Now each category has only 3 spots to force that. So you're going to self-edit. You may have 300 tasks in your mind. But we're going to force your brain to focus on 3 in each one of these categories. I'm telling you, your brain can do that. So we will now move on to prioritize and plan. Now choose the top 3 tasks from any category. Now write specific action steps that you're going to take. So you see the top part is where you're going to transpose what you wrote in the brain dumping section. And then on the bottom of that, because they're both equally linked, in the bottom half, you're going to write specific action steps you're going to take within that chosen task. Be clear and concrete. Be clear and concrete about what you'll do. So the next phase in this section here, you're going to write about what you're doing and why. This reinforces your commitment and clarifies your goals. Think about the big picture and the long-term benefits. So as you see here, this reinforces your commitment to and clarifies your goals. Think about the big picture, what you want to get done. So what am I doing? That's really key. What am I doing? Just at a high level, 30,000 foot view. What are you doing? What are you trying to get accomplished with the 3 tasks that you picked? Now, why are you doing this? Now, this may be a myriad of reasons why you have picked these particular 3 things. Because sometimes you only want to work on your future things. Sometimes there are tasks that are due today that are really important. And that's fine. Now here's the next slide is the most powerful of all. Here's where everything comes together. When you fold the paper on the dotted lines, you'll see your mind will sink into a focused state of creativity and productivity. If think about the Japanese art of paper folding, origami, this can be a simple but powerful mental health exercise that will foster well-being by reducing your stress through its calming and meditative nature. And that's really where I land. So you're going to fold the document, both the brain dumping side and then on the opposite side of the middle section, there's notes. You're gonna brain dump. You're going to fold this, and you're going to remove all of the clutter, and you're going to focus on those 3 high priority tasks. And you're going to focus on why you're doing and what you're doing. So again, you're going to fill out the worksheet, fold it along the dotted lines, and this simple act signals your brain that it's time to focus. Now, although you can use this worksheet first thing in the morning, pro tip, do this at the end of each work day. so that you know where to start the next morning. Do this on Friday so that you know where to start on Monday. Eliminate the Sunday evening anxiety. Do this before you go on vacation to have a clear plan on what you want to do when you get back. Think about and plan the first 3 specific steps. Takes the stress off of you. Even if the plans change, you'll be able to give yourself the gift of clarity on the day that you need it most. Trust your instincts when prioritizing your task. This is key. Trust them. Consistency is key. Use this daily for the best results. Do not hide this document. Typically, I am sticking a stack of 30 right in front of me that I use automatically. I see this stack. I don't hide it in a book or a journal, or I don't hide it in a desk, and I don't put it in a folder. I set it right before me. And I don't allow for it to be hidden in any way. This is an open document. So for those of you who are ready to take your productivity even further, consider our membership. You'll receive monthly resources. You'll receive monthly resources and support to maximize your focus. Our ReadySetFocus membership offers valuable support for your productivity journey. You'll receive a monthly pack of premium worksheets. This is a higher quality paper delivered to your door. You don't have to worry about it. It's coming straight to your door. We'll provide exclusive insights on focus and productivity through a personal letter that I will write to you around the topic of focus and productivity. Each month, we'll send a carefully curated. Each month, I will send you a curated productivity book. This is all books that are on your Barnes and Nobles or inside of the bookstore or Amazon. These same books are there. The goal is that you are not alone, that you are part of a community, and we're reading the same things, we're studying the same things, we're focusing. So, and you also gain access to our supportive, focus, accountability community. We'll offer an in-depth video tutorial on how to maximize your ReadySetFocus experience. And this whole system is designed to keep you motivated and progressing forward. Remember, productivity is a skill that improves with practice. This worksheet is your first step towards better focus and achievement. Thank you for watching, and here's to your productivity breakthrough.